What's up? This is Tridib and you are watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. Well, we all know the core of design thinking practices is human-centric. Also, practitioners like us are also human beings and the end users of which design thinking is used are also human beings. Hence, it is extremely important to understand human behavior. Let us understand the Iceberg model of human behavior and how this can be used by design thinking practitioners. But before we deep dive, kindly like, share and comment on the video if you feel this is important. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of our upcoming updates. So without much ado, let's get started. Let us consider an iceberg. The topmost layer, let's call it behavior. It is basically the action that any individual is doing and depending on others' outlook towards the action, who they label the action as his or her behavior. Interestingly, this labeling is done based on others' worldview. If in their views this action is good, the behavior becomes good, and if they feel that the action is bad, then the behavior also becomes bad. For example, we Indians are cricket playing nation and many times we have seen our behavior changes like a swinging pendulum based on how our loving team playing every moment. Though this match may be played hundreds and thousands of miles away. Feelings control our behavior. Stronger the feeling, stronger is our action. Weaker the feeling, the results are inconsequential actions or behavior. Many times we behave in an extremely negative way if our feeling for a particular happening or event is negative. Attitude. Our society, education and the environment where we grow up shape up our attitude. Many students you will see are absolutely unaffected even they have given a not so great exam, and many students you will see are howling and crying after doing the same thing. That's attitude. Belief is a state of mind where a person thinks something to be the case with or without there being an empirical evidence to prove that something is the case with factual certainty. We design thinking practitioners have to be cautious of our individual beliefs. It is often said, change your belief, you will change what you will do. Values are socially approved desires and goals that are ingrained in us by our parents, teachers, and sometimes the society that we live in. Values also guide individuals' behavior. So that's all, folks. Hope you liked the podcast and found it important. If you have liked it, kindly like, share and comment on the video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming updates. Till we meet again in another interesting podcast, goodbye and God bless.